Assalamu alaikum. Importance of time. Time is the most precious thing on earth. It cannot be compared to anyone. If it goes once, then never come back. It always goes forward in the forward direction and is not backwards. Everything in this world depends on time. Nothing happens before time. It is necessary to do anything for some time. If we do not have time, we have nothing to destroy. Time is considered the worst thing on earth because the waste of time destroys us and our future. We cannot retrieve waste time at any time. If we are wasting our time, then we are destroying everything. Some people value their wealth over time. However, the truth is that there is nothing more precious than the time. It is the time which gives us wealth, prosperity, and joy. However, nothing can give time in this world. Only time can be used, cannot buy or sell any time. Many people are living their lives in a meaningless ways. They use time only to eat, play or do other lazy actions with their friends. In this way, they spend days and years. They never think about what they are doing, how they are doing, etc. When they do not even regret the waste of time in the wrong way and never feel sorry for them. Indirectly, they lose their lot of money and even more important time, which they can never get back. We should be motivated by the success of others as well as learning from others' mistakes. We should use our time to do some useful things so that we can give time to prosperity and not destroy them.